sale started. First up is the Grand Champion Market Steer, shown by Madison, member of the Born to Show 4-H Club. Madison is 10 years old. She attends Blue Ridge School in the 5th grade. She participates in the Dairy Quiz Bowl. She likes to read, write, keeps bees. She plants in her garden, and she likes showing all of her animals. Her steer's name is Sam. It's an Angus cross. He's a gentle giant who loves a bubble bath. She would like to thank Aunt Diane, Uncle Squirrel Kendall, for all of their help taking care of Sam. New Milford Hardware for purchasing her steer last year. Madison will be donating all profit from her steer to Kidney for Kyle. It will go to her cousin Kyle Miller, who's awaiting a donor kidney. All right, here we go. We're buying a Grand Champion Market Steer. Right here, look at 10, look at 15, look at 15, look at 10, $10, 10, look at $5, 5, it's 5, and you look at 5, $6, you look at 5, $7, $7, $8, $8, $8, $8, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9
$9.10. It's $11 on the baby, $11 on the baby, $11 on the baby, $11, $11 on the baby, $10, $11. I have a baby, $10, $11 on the baby, $10, $11, $10 on the baby, $10, $11 on the baby, $10, $11 on the baby, $10.50. I have 10 in your way, Billy, 10.50. Hey, 10, Ronnie, your minutes up, 10.50. 100 on the baby, 10.50. 100 on the baby, 10 on the baby, high baby, 10 and a half. 100 on the baby, 10 on the baby, 10 and a half. 100 on the baby, 10 and a half. For a good cause, too, 10.50. Thank you, 11. $11. 100 on the baby, 11 on the baby, 11 on the baby, 10 and a half. $11. 100 on the baby, 11.50. 100 on the baby, 11 and a half. 11.50. Couldn't find a better reason to buy it. 11.50. 11.50. Devin, 11.50. 100 on the baby, 11 and a half. 11 and a half. 11 on the baby, 11 and a half. I have 11 in the front row, 11.50. 100 on the baby, 11 and a half. 11 and a half. Last call, 11.50. Anybody else, 11.50? $12. $12. You bought it last year, I heard. $12. 12. 100 on the baby, 11 and a half. I'm going to buy $12. 100 on the baby, 12. I'm going to buy 11 and a half. I'm going to buy $12. And now 50. 100 on the baby, 12 and a half. 100 on the baby, 12 and a bit now. I'm going to buy 12.50. It's $12. 12 and a half. 100 on the baby, 12. 100 on the baby, 12. I'm going to buy 12.50. $12, 12.50, and then anybody else, 12.50, and then the baby, the last call, 12.50. So, $12, front row, $3.25.
That's Wapatowski Auction, LLC, and New Milford Hardware of Clifford and New Milford. Thank you very much.